Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again after the new session of Diwali vacation. Here we are going to start with the new lesson, arithmetic progression. In that, certain terms are there. First of all, we should be aware about certain terms so that we can easily understand the sum and solve. The first term here, sequence. What is sequence? A set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers is called as sequence. For example, 147. Here, sequence is the definite order is there, difference of 3 is there, and all are natural number. So, such an number we call it as a sequence. The sequence of difference tn plus 1 minus tn means last term and the second last term. Difference between them is constant, or difference between two consecutive terms is always constant. Then the sequence is called an arithmetic progression. For example, 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, 31, and so on is a sequence. Here 6 minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 16 minus 11 equals to 21 minus 16 equal to 26 minus 21, which is nothing but constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. In an AP, the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant and is denoted by D. For example, 6 minus 1 equals to 5, 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Here difference is constant, which is denoted as D. D equals to 5. Difference D can be positive, negative, 0. For example, 1 if it is sequence is 1, 4, 7, 10, the difference is 3. If the sequence is minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, the difference is minus 3, which is negative. And if the sequence is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, difference is 0, which is constant or 0. So difference can be positive, negative as well as 0. In an AP, the first term is A and the common difference is D. Then the terms in the sequence are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. For example, here if I write here 1, 4, 7, 10, dot, 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 which and here A is first term is 1, common difference D is 3, and therefore the terms can be written as 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 into 3, 1 plus 3 into 3, and so on. We'll start with the first exercise 3.1. Here we have to find out whether the given sequence is AP or not. If it is an AP, we have to find D, that is constant difference. To the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8. First term 2, second term 4, third term 6, fourth term 8. The T2 minus T1, which is nothing but 4 minus 2 equals to 2. T3 minus T2 equals 6 minus 4 equals to 2. T4 minus T3 equals to 8 minus 6 equals to 2. The common difference, which is constant, which is called as D, is equals to 2. So, since the common difference is constant, it is an AP and the common difference is 2. Similarly, with the next sum, 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 3. Here, first term is 2, second term is 5 upon 2, third term 3, fourth term 7 upon 3. You can see a difference here. T2 minus T1, here nothing is but 1 upon 2. T3 minus T2 is again 1 upon 2. But T4 minus T3 is nothing but 2 upon 3. So here difference is not constant. Since difference is not constant, the given sequence is not an AP. It is not an arithmetic progression. Third sum, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, and so on. So here also same pattern we have to follow. Difference between the consecutive terms. Here difference between the consecutive terms found out to be minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, which is nothing but constant, and therefore the given sequence is nothing but AP, and the common difference D is nothing but minus 4. Sorry, it is 4. minus 6 plus 10 is 4, minus 2 plus 6 is 4, and so on. So their difference is positive, but it is constant. Fourth sum 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. Here difference is not the consecutive difference between the two consecutive terms is not found to be same. Here difference in first case is 0.03, 0.003. Therefore the difference is not same, and therefore the given sequence is not an AP. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. So here difference between the consecutive term is found to be negative, that is minus 4, which is same every time, and therefore the difference is constant, that is D, which is always minus 4, and therefore it is AP. So remaining sum 6, 7, 8, it is same way, so we can give it as a homework. Now write an AP whose first term is A, common difference is D in each of the following. A is 10, D is 5, so T first term equals to A equals to 10, second term equals to T1 plus D, which is 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Third term equals to T2 plus D, that is 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Third term is nothing but second term plus D, which is nothing but 15 plus 5, that is 20. Fourth term is nothing but third term plus D, so that is 20 plus 5, 25. Therefore the AP is 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. A equals to minus 3, D equals to 0. First term is 3, second term is, first term is minus 3, second term again it is minus 3, third term again it is minus 3, and so on. So the difference is constant, and therefore the sequence is minus 3, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 3, comma, and so on. Here A is 7 and D is equals to, A is minus 7 and D equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore first term equals to A equals to minus 7. Second term equals to T1 plus D, that is minus 7 plus half, that is nothing but minus 13 upon 2. Third term is second term plus D, that is minus 13 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that becomes minus 12 upon 2, which is nothing but minus 6. Fourth term is 3, third term plus D, that is minus 6 plus 1 upon 2, which is nothing but minus 12 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is becomes minus 11 upon 2. And therefore AP is minus 7, minus 13 upon 2, minus 6, minus 11 upon 2, and so on. The same way you have to do the remaining sums, therefore I expect that you can do it of your own. Therefore the remaining sum is homework, that is 4, 5, 6. Now last question of this exercise. Find the first term and the common difference for each of the following. Five, 1 minus 3 minus 7. So T1 equals to first term equals to A equals to 5. T2 minus T1 equals to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. T3 minus T2 equals to minus 3 minus 1 equals to minus 4. So here the common difference is nothing but minus 4, which you can see everywhere it is same. Same as 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5. Here also you can see the difference here. First term is 0.6, second term minus first term is nothing but 0.3, third term minus second term is 0.3, and so on. The difference is same, that is D, which is nothing but 0.3. Thus we have completed the first exercise of the lesson, arithmetic progression. remaining part we'll do it in the next video. Till then, have a great day.